Hi, I'm Roger Bicknell and welcome to my blog. And today I want to talk about the difference between debit cards and credit cards. Now, debit cards, which are also known as bank cards or check cards, and those names give you a bit of history of the debit card because they started out originally as check cards to guarantee your checks that you wrote, and you put the 4-digit number from your check card on the back of the check to guarantee it in the days that we used to write a lot more checks than we do now. And of course you're still able to do that if you're paying someone by check, to put your debit card 16-digit number on the back of your check. Bank cards, the name is basically because your bank issues the card, and debit card is by the nature of the card. Now, payment systems around the world for debit cards have varied from country to country, though they are starting to be standardized now. But basically, the thing when you use a debit card in an electronic transaction, it takes the money directly from your bank account. It's like having cash in your pocket. You want to buy an ice cream or something, you take the money out of your pocket and you pay for your ice cream and you get it then and there. That's what a debit card does. The money comes straight from your bank account to the merchant and you get the item you've purchased. And that is the main thing. You can also use your debit card, of course, to get money out of an ATM, in which case you will have been issued with a 4-digit PIN number, which enables you to draw the money. And in fact, most times when you're paying for something with the merchant, you will be asked for your 4-digit number, or you won't be asked for it, you have to key it in. So that is a debit card. Often when you purchase goods with a debit card, the merchant may well ask you if you wish to have cash back. And this is a facility that merchants give to their customers, but the advantage for the merchant selling you their groceries or whatever, it reduces the cash holdings that the merchant is having to hold, making life easier for him, and meaning at the end of the day there's less money, physical cash, to be paid in to the bank. Now, on the other hand, credit cards are a payment card, and they're issued by an organisation, often a bank, or usually a bank. And when you get given a credit card account, you're basically being given a revolving account that grants you a line of credit. How much credit limit you've got is the line of credit you've been given. And you can go into a store and pay for the item with your credit card. Now, the money is not coming out of your bank account then and there. It's coming out of your revolving credit card account, if you like, up to the limit of what you're allowed credit. The merchant giving you this facility, the bank giving you this facility, will of course expect payment for the goods you've received through using the credit card. Now, they will send you a monthly bill. As long as you pay off the bill totally every month, there probably won't be a charge. But should you wish to take up the credit facility Here in the UK, we have to pay a minimum of 5% by law, but the remainder can go on credit. It reduces the total amount of credit that the card can have for the next month, because you've already got a lot on there, and you will be charged interest on that money. And that interest rate can vary from 15% up to 34, 35%, or maybe even higher. So, as I say, it pays to pay off your credit card monthly, totally, every month. There is something to note. You may hear of charge cards like American Express. Now, these are not credit cards, they're not debit cards. They are a card issued by an organisation for a fee, a monthly fee, and when the bill comes in from that, you are expected to pay the card off in total every month. So you have to repay the full amount every month. There are differences, of course. In the United Kingdom, we get issued a 4-digit PIN number with our debit cards and with our credit cards. Though, as I understand it, in some countries, they still don't use PIN numbers with credit cards. Now, another thing that is developing here is contactless payment, where when you offer up your card to close quarters with the screen of the terminal, it'll take the money automatically from your account without you having to pin in your PIN number or type in your PIN number or anything. Currently in the UK, this is limited to £30, and not all merchants have installed these systems because they cost money. I suspect you'll find more people have installed them, for instance, in London than they have elsewhere. And this is to speed up payment, speed the people through the system. I hope this has been of some use to you. Thank you for visiting my blog. And if you want more information from us, at top right or on the right hand side somewhere, you will find an area to put in your name and email address, and we'll contact you with information of what we're up to currently. Thank you for the visit. Bye.